know what the sizes I have taken for this house. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 10 feet in meter 3 meter. We have a planter area on the right side and we have a sliding door. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum kitchen area. The size of the living cum kitchen area is 9 feet 8 inches into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 2.94 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also a TV unit on the front wall, and we have a kitchen counter here. You can see here the burner, sink and also a refrigerator arrangement. On the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. Here the size of the washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet in meter 1.21 into 2.13 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and both are separate. We have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the left side we have bedroom. The size of the bedroom is 8 feet into 9 feet 4 inches in meter 2.43 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also large size windows for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.